Welcome to part 13 in my Crash Team Racing developer time trial series. So in the last video I completed one of my least favourite tracks when it comes to beating ghosts on, Out of Time. It took over 50 attempts, had to get used to the track again, had to get the hang of it. I also did Meteor Gorge, but I did this one off camera because I tested to see how difficult it was, and it turns out it's one of the easiest ones in the game, and I got so close to beating it, so I thought, okay, I'll save this one for the video since it's one of the easier wins. But I was just too tempted to continue trying, and I ended up beating it, but it's another track down, it's another track off the list. Today I'm going to tackle the last two C and K tracks, Assembly Lane and Hyper Spaceway. I believe Hyper Spaceway will be the more difficult one out of the two, but we'll find out soon enough. This track's probably really just going to be about boosting, because there's no blue fire, there's no, well there is one shortcut and it's this, actually no there's two, conveyor belt, which I hate. I never take the conveyor belt in online, but yeah, we're going to have to do it. Ooh, got a nice little hop there. How did I do that? I'm going to have to watch that back. This one seems okay. I mean, lap 2 isn't going to be much different from lap 1, so I'm guessing it's really just about cutting corners and shit, isn't it? Okay, I'll do that on lap 3 as well. Oh, I didn't get my little hop this time. Oh, I've lost my flame. I've got it back here though, but is it too late for that? Okay, but they don't cut the mud on the third lap. Is there any reason for that? Well, that's free real estate for me. I've lost my flame yet again. Yeah, this one, we've lost this one. We do have to... Whoa, okay, that's how you do it. You jump on like the... That's actually a huge time save. You jump on like the end of it. Oh wait, no, they're going to get ahead of me now. Nearly. Gotta try and do that again. Oh, nearly. I didn't even get a boost from landing that, so I nearly, like, completely messed everything up. No! Flame's gone! I'm not going to do that mud jump, because all it does is... I might as well just boost around it. I would have probably won that if I didn't do that. I don't really like playing at night time because for some reason I get unbelievably sweaty, and I'm not just talking about gameplay wise. I am boiling hot right now. Not only that, but it gives me a bit of eye strain looking at my TV, so I'm going to go around that as close as I can and get 3 boosts instead, because look, it doesn't even put you that far ahead. Like, I'm still ahead now. Well, okay, I got a boost, but oh, that was a very close wall hug. Oh, I got a little boost off that. Nice little surprise. Okay, let's hit the... Oh, that was a fucking L, wasn't it? Because I didn't get my boost. Oh, wait, what? How did I just get ahead there? Yeah, that's a very, like, inconsistent thing. Sometimes you land off the... Yeah, that seems to be very inconsistent. You don't always get a boost, and then it's kind of pointless. I refuse to take this once again. Oh, that was it? You see that? That was a good example of it. Still ahead of me, though. Don't know where I'm going to be able to make up some time now. Go on. Okay, mistake last time was going there. Okay. Not good at cutting those corners, although it does save time. Have we done it? Looks like we've done it. Assembly lane is done. That one literally just comes down to holding your sacred flame and cutting corners. Okay, Hyper Spaceway time. This is going to be the last one that I want to get done in the video, so let's hope we can do it. It is 11 seconds faster than my time, but that doesn't mean anything. I've improved a lot since I last played these time trials, which was last month for Velo. I have to turn my light on now, which is going to make me even hotter, because if I beat this track and end the video, I'm going to need a screenshot for the thumbnail. What I've noticed about Hyper Spaceway is that no matter how many reserves you have at the end of the lap, your blue fire will go regardless. Like, that's what I've noticed online. So let's try and get as many drifts as we can. We're probably gonna have to hold this the whole game, aren't we? Sitting too close to my TV. I need to back up. Whoa. Okay. Oh no, I've lost it, I've lost it. When I get in here, it's gone. I know exactly what happened there. I held the U-turning buttons the whole time, which is an extremely good way of getting rid of all of your reserves. So instead, how about we just do that, and then do that. There we go, that's better. Okay, now this is where the blue fire seems to just disappear. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe I'm just crap. Oh no, 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 see, it's gone. Where else am I meant to fit in any more drift boosts? No, it's gone, I can feel it. It slowed down just before. Yep. I went straight over the fucking... Please don't leave me reserves. Oh, you left me. I'm actually curious now. Where am I actually meant to fit any more drift boosts in to build reserves? Couldn't even hold it past the bloody beginning. Holding blue fire through that bit actually isn't as hard as I thought. Literally just takes one U-turn and that's it. Well, two. Okay, let's actually see if we can fucking hold this now. No, it's gone, isn't it? It's gone. Oh no, still got it. How long for though? That Dingo is... What? I'm not even mad at that. I'm impressed. Okay, that's bad. Yeah. Oh, that was a... I was gonna say it was a bad U-turn. It wasn't a fucking U-turn. Ooh. That was shit. Oh, I'm turning my lights off now. I think I've got a thumbnail. I'm sweating with sweat right now. Good laser section. Shit, I should not have drifted there. Made it way harder. Shit, should have drifted off that to get some reserves. It's alright. No! Last minute reserves. What happened there? Oh, I didn't even lose my reserves there. I just did a bad U-turn, didn't I? And just accidentally, I probably pressed brake first. Well, it's good to know that I'm getting that close, because it's probably going to happen soon. Get 2 U-turns there. Sorry, U-turns, boost. Jump off this. Hit that and that if you can. That's a bonus. Do 2 drifts here. And not hit the fucking wall, preferably. Get no boost there. Barely clutch that. Oh. That's how you do it. That's not how you do it. That was way too wide. Oh, no, 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 no. Shit, no, no, I'm gonna lose reserves now. Oh! Don't do that. Oh, this is fucked. Yeah, I knew that went to shit. I'm actually liking this one. I'm not getting mad or anything. I will if it takes like another hour, but because I know I can do it and I know exactly what to do. I just have to pull it off. Just drive off that. You don't need a boost. Drive off that too. Get 1 boost here and jump. Just trying to help you guys out. If anyone needs help with this track. That will give you enough reserves to handle that. You do that, and oh, Alex B, I figured your strats out. It's just a matter of time. Yep, it's gone. Knew it. You don't jump off of that ledge the 2nd lap or 3rd lap. You just drive off of it. Drive off of it like that. Drive off of it like that. Boost, jump. Oh, nearly went for the fucking boost there. That would have been a grave mistake. Oh, what happened there? Where did that go wrong? No! Where is it going wrong? What was that? Oh, I've had enough of this tonight. See you later. See you tomorrow. Oh, yes. Alright, so I wasn't really feeling it last night. I was sweating like crap. Oh yeah, I edited the video. I literally said something like, I'm sweating with sweat. But yeah, I didn't give much commentary today. I just wanted to sort of get it done. I've already said everything that I needed to say. I learned the track, figure out exactly what I had to do, walked you through it. Wasn't much else to say. All I had to do was get it done, and I did it. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. We got 2 tracks done, Assembly Lane and Hyper Spaceway. And that means that every single Crash Nitro Kart track is done. So how many do we have left? Slide Coliseum is 1. 8 more tracks left. That's it. It's really just Mega Mix Mania, Gingerbread Joyride, and Prehistoric. I think they'll probably be the ones I struggle with the most based on what people have said. And then after that, Slide Coliseum. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all in my next video.